Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Engineer Masood Akhtar, and today we have the technical session number 25. Our main subject is today wood as a civil material. Before going ahead, I would like to request you to press the bell icon and subscribe in order to easy access with the next video. So let us go to the subject wood as a material. Wood and the bricks are since the ancient times, 200 years ago, these two materials exist as a consumer to the construction field and in the different ways. Let us go into the wood. Wood is a porous and the fiber structure tissues found in stem and the roots of the tree and the other body plants. It is an organic material, natural composite of the cellulose fibers that are strong in tension and embedded in a matrix of lignin with the resist compression. Wood is one of the most used natural material in the world. The natural valuable properties such as the low heat conductivity. Although the wood is a fire consumable, but it can be made with some treatment like the synthetic woods. We can make the fire rated according to our requirement. Synthetic wood lumber is a material in a mixture of wood fiber, plastic, and the sum of the binding agent. These ingredients are put together in a material is a denser, stronger, and heavier than woods alone. The wood as a plastic composites and in the different ways can be used. As indicated the preceding section of this article, the total number of the products from the world in are around 10,000 species of the trees, which are the hardwood and softwood also, and it can be used for the construction purpose. The types of the woods mainly hardwood, softwood, and some other woods which are synthetically made for the construction requirement. Such application made in a wood that may be desirable qualities of the high for the weight, workability, and aesthetic appeals. But the wood also has been certain undesirable characteristics. It can be burned and decay, for instance. In order to reduce the effects of the inheritance under undesirable properties and also to make the proper use in the many exist wood preceding plant species and reduce the best possible wood quality in the forest. The essential understanding the complex nature of this material is such as understanding can be gained by the study of some structures. Structure and composite characteristic examination of the stump is a transverse section, cross section of a tree. Trunk shows these plants are beech wood and the bark. This cross section I will show that this portion and this portion, this is very hard portion, and we have some tissues built up for the wood. Similarly, we have the same cross section for different portion of the woods, how the woods is developed from the initial stage to the final stage, and what are the characteristics accessed and how we can extract the specific part of the wood for the desired purpose. Between the wood and bark, its combustion also in the layer tissue and the portion of the hard portion. Pitch is normally small and located in the center of the transfer section, which is this one. And this also a part of part of hardwood, and this is used for some decorative purpose and the quality of the woods. Strategic, there are the physical properties for the woods, and strategic bending modulus of the rupture 16 modulus is for the woods. This is the maximum load, impact bending, compression parallel to grain, compression perpendicular to grain, shear parallel to grain, maximum shearing strength, tension parallel to grain, side hardness, toughness, specific gravity. The mechanical properties of wood considered as stiffness, tensile strength, compression, crushing, shearing, and transverse strength. Toughness, hardness, cleavability, and resilience. Cleavability meaning in cutting in the long duration. So, what are the tests and what the impacts? We found specific gravity. This is 12% moisture from 55 to 50, 60, 66. Junka hardness also, modulus rupture also, elasticity, crushing strength, and the shrinkage. These are the physical properties and the mechanical properties of the wood. So, wood is a very good material. So, it can be altered by the synthetic procedure with the plywood and other types of the woods. And there are many uses for the woods in the civil market. It can be also the hardwood, also it can be used for the columns in the construction field where the only houses are constructed by the woods. So there are many treatments for the woods, also apply archaic procedure, painting in order to make the wood feasible to the construction industry requirements. So this was the briefing about the wood, and our next session will be about the brick, and then we will go about the aggregates. So hopefully you like this one, and definitely we will see each other in next session with another subject. So wish you all the best and have a nice day. Thank you very much.